Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find intro templates on the FilmMaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is the first page, and if you want to start a new project, click to the new project button, and the project section you can find your old videos and project. But if you want to find templates, go to the asset library, the upper side of the screen, and in the first section you can find the intro. And if you go to the second option at the lower side of the screen, the intro, you can find the different intros, for example, cool, good, colorful, simple, festival, and others. And just select one, for example, that, click that, and you can download. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.